Traps should be placed in the field before the pest becomes active or immigration events occur. Knowing the pest history, as well as the weather conditions in the infested area, assist in predicting the insect occurrence and pressure. Trap positioning and density can be determined by an insect's dispersal ability and flight behavior. Therefore, the recommendations differ for different pest species. The primary function of attached TRH sensor is to determine insect environment parameters. Therefore, it is recommended to be installed at the height where the insects do the most damage. Another recommendation is to place it at least 1 meter off the ground. The solar panel should be mounted at the top of a pole in a way that it is always exposed to the sun and should never be shaded. The recommendation is to be exposed to the south on the northern hemisphere and to the north on the southern hemisphere. When installing wing traps in the orchards, for example monitoring the peach twig borer, place the trap within the upper third of the tree canopy. Traps should be placed within the crop area at crop height where the activity of monitoring pest is greatest. Avoid hanging pheromone traps in areas with high bird or animal activity to reduce the chance of them being accidentally trapped. The entrance of the trap must be easily accessible to the insects. A second pole is recommendable when monitoring pests in the row crop, such as diamondback moth or tomato leaf miner. In this case, it is best to place the trap at the highest part of the crop by adjusting its position to the growth of the plants. Attractant is an essential part of active monitoring. When handling semi-chemical lures, wear disposable gloves to avoid cross-contamination with other products. In wing models, lures should be placed into the plastic cage. The other pole is to be used for installing the sensor and the solar panel. To maximize Trapview usage throughout the monitoring season, ensure regular maintenance of devices. We recommend you keeping the solar panel and electronics glass cover clean, changing the pheromones and sticky roll when needed, and record all events in Trapview web or mobile applications.